Assalamualaikum, sir.
Alaikum assalam. Okay.
For temper.
We will just check your temperature, sir.
Okay.
It's 36.3.
Thank you.
You can come.
Okay, when I enter now, you take my temperature. What you will do if my temperature is, for example, 38 or 39?
If your temperature is high, sir, we advise you to go to the hospital.
So you will not permit me to go inside?
It's not allowed to come inside if your temperature is more than 38.
Especially in these circumstances, this time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now I see the reception. There is signs on the chairs.
Yes.
Can you tell me what means of signs?
If this sign, you cannot allow to sit
Here,
yes.
X means not allowed to sit
Not
here.
allowed to sit.
But you sit here.
Yes.
So we have 2 empty chairs and 1 to sit, 2 empty and 1 like this. Oh,
Yes.
this is good. أنا لما دخلت وقفوني خدوا التمبريتشر بتاعي. سألتهم أنا لما دخلت لقيتوا التمبريتشر بتاعي طبيعي. طيب لو لقيتوا التمبريتشر بتاعي عالية شو تسوون يعني؟ فقالت it's not allowed to us. we advise you إن بنصحك إنك تروح ننصح الزائر بتاعنا إن هو دايما يروح المستشفى على طول فورا. طيب مش هتسمحوا لي أدخل؟ قالوا لي لا مش هنسمح لك تدخل، تروح المستشفى الأول عشان exclude the case. Okay. So what about these chairs? How you clean every day? How many times? Frequently?
We clean these chairs with disinfectant, Dettol, and within 1 hour. Every 1 hour we spray Dettol everything.
Dettol and Clorox and
Yes.
whatever
And
is
disinfectant.
separately in okay. Every 1 hour you make this.
Yes,
Chairs and tables, and this also boxes for charity, and this is disinfectant for patient here on the table. So on this sofa only 1 person staying here in the middle, and this is good. About this line here, what mean by this line on the ground?
For the distance here, not too much close to each other.
Yeah, you make the patient at least 1 meter from you
Yeah, and the patient
to
is
protect him and protect yourself for in case.
Yes.
So
And also use sanitizers before you touch anything.
before touching the papers or the file, everything you have to
To
make
sanitize, especially money.
or being money like this, and this also antibacterial tissues,
Yes.
and this is not allowed now to stay here.
Sit in the touch here.
Okay, but everything now you clean everything
Yes,
here,
everything here.
and your hand also sanitized before making everything.
Yes.
That's good. You what is this? You use this for spraying?
Yes, for spraying everything here, all around the screen.
It's simple and good.
Yes.
Do you make it like this?
Yes, like this.
All and then clean. Oh,
Yes.
very good. And the room say this sanitizing gel, right? All rooms same cleanliness and same
Everything
precautions.
inside the room we clean, and also we have sanitizer here. Before enter the room, you can use this one.
Yeah. So everything now we make it to clean everything and precautions to protect. And even manager, doctor room, same. Okay, what about if someone refused to take his temperature?
No,
You
you
will
are not
not-
allowed to come in.
You are not allowed to come inside before.
Yes.
You write the temperature on his file when
Yes,
you came
I write
inside.
everything in the file to see the doctor that the temperature is good. If they're not allowed to make
You tell
this-
him, sir, we are sorry, you
Yes.
can't enter without this.
Yes.
Okay, people cooperate with you.
Yes.
Yeah, they respond to well.
They respond everything.
All
because
people
they
respond,
understand.
and they become happy when you see you
Yes,
making
the
this.
temperature is good.
Yes.
Like this. Good for them also.
It's good for them also and respect the place.
Yes.